Hey, the addition framing is going fairly well, but it has been slowed down considerably by the amount of bolting and strapping that's required because of some of the new codes. Hey, Mark Buffkin's been with me a long time, built a lot of additions, but Mark, I bet you've never seen anything like what we're having to do with this addition.
No, it's getting ridiculous, Danny. It's straps everywhere, straps on every stud, top, bottom, 10 nails to the strap. You got all these big brackets here that's put in strategic spots for the maximum uplift. That you got a countersink to get in. Just before I could frame my windows, you know.
Yeah, I noticed on the doors over there, you had to actually recess all of those bolts, which are pretty sizable bolts. This is like cabinet work almost with this kind of work.
Yeah, you know, you have to be thinking. If we'd just put them in there, and then when we went to set our door, the door would have hit the bolts, and it would have been a bad deal.
One of the reasons that the codes are so strict in this area is we are in a hurricane zone. We're in the northern part of the Gulf Coast, but we're still 30 miles away from the water. It's surprising that it's still in a hurricane zone and requiring this kind of work. Now, the 2x6s are something that the homeowners really requested, right?
Yeah, that was just for insulation value, no strength whatsoever, just for more insulation.
Yeah.